This has been a very interesting week at SignForce. A good week in the sense of getting to understand people's perspective. It could also be used a title such as "Who is our competition?" Let me put this in perspective. On Monday this week, we went to assist a signage company, a nicely established signage company, with an installation. It was a challenging installation. First time we've ever had to use a chain link to get the signs up. And the client was very happy with what was done and thought our price was exceptionally fair and paid us almost immediately. On Wednesday, I followed up with a client who asked me if I was effing mad and if I'd lost my bloody mind, and told me that I was absolutely insane with the price that I was charging to take some signs down. Now, when you look at it, he could have just been ranting because he was getting a discount, but he actually made a very valid point. He said he could get it for 1/13 of the price by simply going and hiring people off the street. Now, that is true. And when you start looking at it from a perspective of who your competition is, if our competition is established signage companies who are playing by the rules and have got to do all the safety and all the other features, that is the people that we're expecting to compete with, the perspective is very different to somebody who looks and says, well, I can just go get somebody off the street and get them to take down the sign and it'll be done for almost nothing. And yes, there are safety concerns and there's all the other features which experience tells you you've got to be aware of. But from a competition perspective, is that necessarily what the client sees?